Welcome to Yoga with Lao, Abs and Glutes for beginners. We're going to begin laying down, face up, arms by your sides, legs extended. Breathing in and feeling your body expand, and breathing out and feeling your body gently contract, connecting with our breath. Breathing in the fresh air, the clean energy, and breathing out and letting go that which we do not need right now at this moment. All your attention focused on your breath. As you inhale, raise your arms all the way up above your head. And exhale as we bring our arms down. Length of the breath is the length of the movement. Inhale as we bring our arms up. Lengthen the body, pointing the toes at the same time, feeling like as if you're being pulled from your hands and feet. And exhale as we bring our arms back down. And one more time, inhaling, bringing the arms up. Lengthen the body. And exhale as we bring our arms back down. Very good. We're going to clasp our hands. Inhale and bring the left knee up, grabbing onto the knee. Straighten the other leg, toes pointed upwards. And exhale as we bring our head up. Feel the abdomen and come down, head and leg. Inhale, right knee up, grabbing onto the knee. Check the other leg. And exhale as we bring the head up and down. Inhale, left. And exhale, bring your head up, letting out all the air, and down. Inhale, right. And exhale, head up and down. Last two. Inhale, left. Exhale, head up and down. Inhale, right. Grab onto the knee. And exhale, bring your head up. And down, very good. Inhale, bend the left leg. Bring your foot up so that your leg is in a 90-degree angle. And we're going to place our hand on our upper leg and we are going to push. We're going to extend the right arm above our head. Inhale, and as we exhale, lift the right leg and bring your right arm up and see if you can touch your toes and come down without touching the ground. And repeat. Inhale as you open and exhale as you close, trying to touch your hand and your toes. And continue. Keep pushing your leg with your left arm, your left hand. And down. We're going to change sides. Bring your right leg up. Push your right leg. Bring your left arm above your head. Inhale. And when you exhale, bring your foot toward your hand and your hand toward your foot. And continue. Inhaling as we open, exhaling as we close. Keep pushing with your right arm, your right hand, your right leg. Very good. And down. Relax for a few breaths. And then we're going to turn to the side. And we're going to slowly get up onto all fours, hands, and knees. Inhale and straighten the right leg. And exhale, bring your knee towards your head. Inhale, straighten. Keep the hips parallel to the ground. Exhale, side, bringing your knee towards your arm. And inhale, extend. Exhale, head to knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, head to knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, side. Inhale, back. And one more time. And bring the leg down. Very good. Let's prepare for the other side. We're going to straighten our left leg. Inhale. And as we exhale, knee towards the head. And inhale, straighten. And exhale, side. Inhale, back. Exhale, head to knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, side. Inhale, back. Exhale, head to knee. Inhale, back. Exhale, side. Inhale, straighten. Head to knee. Inhale, back. Exhale, side. And inhale, straighten. And one last time. Head to knee. Straighten. Side. Straighten. And down. Very good. Get on the ball of your toes and inhale into downward dog. Fingers are spread wide like the roots of the trees. Hands are pushing up, back, away from the mat. Neck is loose. Inhale, eyesight between the hands, and walk forward until your feet are between the hands. Come up halfway. Bring your shoulder blades together and exhale. Relax all the way down, loosening the neck once more. Bend the knees slightly, and let's come up vertebra by vertebra. Our head is the last to come up. And inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, bring the arms down. Very good. Bring the right leg back. And we're going to open our legs a little bit wider. Then our shoulders, feet are pointed outwards. Inhale, we're going to raise our arms. Exhale, bending our legs. Bringing our hands down to Namaste, Goddess pose. Inhale, straightening the legs, bringing the arms up. And as we exhale, bringing our hands down towards our chest, bending our knees. Inhale, coming up, squeezing the glutes. Pelvis is slightly tucked under to activate our abdomen. Exhale, bringing the hands down, bending the legs. Inhaling as we come up, squeezing the glutes, bringing the arms up. And exhale, bend the legs. Inhale, straightening the legs nice and slow, arms up. And exhale, move back into Goddess pose. And we're going to hold the position for a few breaths. Knees and ankles in line. And gently come out of the position. Very good. Let's bring our feet forward. And they can actually be pointed in slightly, hands on our hips, shoulders open. Inhale, and as we exhale, we're going to fold forward from the hips and stop when our back is parallel to the ground. Open our arms to the side and breathe. Feel that stretch in your legs. Keep the abdomen activated and exhale. Let's fold all the way down. We're going to move our right foot outwards. And we're going to walk our hands also towards the right, straightening the left leg, toes pointed upwards, and hands in Namaste. Our elbow is inside of the bent knee, and we are bringing our shoulder blades back so our back is nice and straight. Come out of the pose. We're going to bring our hands down. We're going to switch sides. Open the left foot. Bend the left knee. Shift your weight. Lift the right foot, leg extended. Elbows between the knees. Hands in Namaste. And breathe. Bring your hands down and let's come back to center. Both legs straight. Fold forward. Hands either on the mat if we can reach, or grabbing on one hand to each ankle. Move your elbows outwards. Try to bring your shoulder blades together. Loosen the neck. and breathe. To come out of the pose, place your hands once more on the mat. Bring your feet in and bend your knees. Let's get down onto the ground in a seated position. Legs bent, hands move back, fingers pointed towards the feet. Knees are hip width apart, open the shoulders. And when you're ready, inhale to bring your hips up, squeezing the glutes, and allow your head to drop back. How does your body feel as you inhale and expand in this position? How does your body feel as you exhale and gently contract in this position? Inhale, bring your head up and gently come back down. We're going to roll all the way down, keeping our legs bent. Bring your feet in so that you can barely touch your heels with the tips of your fingers. Inhale, raise your arms up over your head and lift the hips. Exhale, bring only the arms down, hips stay up. Clasp your hands under you to straighten your arms, open your shoulders, and with your feet push up towards your head. Feet are flat, head presses down gently into the mat so you can breathe. And hold the position. Keep pushing back with your feet, squeezing the glutes. Knees are hip width apart. Let your hands go and roll down vertebra by vertebra. Bring your knees to your chest and rock slowly up and down, giving a nice massage to your lower back. When you're ready, turn to the side in fetal position. Give yourself a hug. Thank yourself for this attention and thank yourself for this love. And come up slowly to a seated position. Legs are folded in front of you. Back is straight yet relaxed. Hands in namaste, close your eyes. Thank yourself for allowing yourself to enjoy being right here and right now in the present. Thank you.